Hey, hi, we're the team BlackRock. Our project title for SIH 2025 is EcoQuest, a gamified environmental learning platform for schools and colleges. Our vision is simple: play, learn, and protect. To make the students not just learners but also the protectors of our country. The problem is that environmental education today is often limited to textbooks, which makes them less impactful and less engaging. The main causes behind this are the limited awareness among the students about the sustainability, lack of practical, hands-on eco-learning activities, low engagement due to the traditional teaching methods, minimal use of the digital tools to connect the students with the real-world eco-actions. EcoQuest addresses the gaps by making the environmental education interactive, gamified, and action-oriented.
While developing EcoQuest, we have faced three key challenges. First, low internet connectivity. We can solve this by adding local data storage and offline sync. Second, maintaining student engagement. We introduced points, badges, and story-driven EcoQuest. Third, high resource usage. We optimize media handling with base 64 encoding. We created a platform that's engaging and sustainable for students everywhere.
Is both feasible and viable. In terms of feasibility, our platform is lightweight. It works even in the low connectivity area, and it emphasizes the resource handling like base64 encoding for images. This means it can run smoothly even in schools with limited infrastructure. Now coming to viability, since it is gamified, naturally increase the students' engagement. Coming to viability, since it is gamified, it naturally increases the student engagement. It is scalable to colleges, communities, even global networks. That's why EcoQuest is not just a prototype. It is sustainable long-term solution.
EcoQuest is more than just a platform. It's a mode to build the eco heroes for tomorrows with engaging activities like tree planting, waste segregation, clean energy practices, and sharpening that students does not learn sustainably, they lived it. Teachers get real-time insights, institutions aligned with the NEP 2020. Along with together, we support quality education and climatic actions by gamifying environment education. EcoQuest turns today's learners into tomorrow's protectors because Earth needs to protect because it is our responsibility.
Hi everyone, I am Harish from Team BlackRock. Today I am excited to share our vision for gamified educational platform tailored for schools and colleges across India. Our focus is simple: make environmental learning fun and measurable and impactful. So we have built five powerful dashboards for students, teachers, institutions, NGOs, and government admins. So which will work together as a group of dashboards and environmental gamified learning to students. And students get interactive modules, points, badges, leaderboards, and real-world eco challenges verified for by partners, and teachers and institutions track progress of students and approach activities and customize their content. NGOs can host events, validate impact, while government admins can get full analytics of overall growth and how environmental education impact the schools and colleges across India. Then we focused on technically inbuilding the multilingual support and access compliance for all students. Then also we improved our gamified learning through their interest by using some AI-based recommendation and AR/VR implementations. So let's dive into it directly deep into an working model. So this is our working model. So transform environmental education through gamification is our motto, and this consists of dashboards such as student, teachers, school admins, NGO partners, and government. So let's see into students dashboard. So this dashboard is Delhi's public school, and some of the UI changes will be done soon. So students will join an active challenges of planting 5 trees or something where the teacher can post these challenges and student can join and show their contribution in exchange of getting some XP points for their leaderboards. And they will also earn some active badges where they can share in some active platforms such as LinkedIn, or they can use to share in some environmental based factors like UN or some. Then absolutely it consists of learning modules. These will be incorporated with their basic syllabus in their higher technical education. So they can learn progress by completing the lessons, and they can start a module if they have been completed a lesson. and this is for learning purposes. And this is to be very gamified, like it will consist of some question and answer challenges in during the learning phase. And by the way, there will be some checkpoints. They will earn XPs. This is how this learning model works. Then challenges. They can, as in dashboard, they can join in challenges and absolutely with the leaderboard. So leaderboard, it will consist of some different public schools, and we have planned to bring some other things like winning in city or winning across the district and state. So this is like an hierarchical leaderboard structure will be come bringing up soon. Also, the community will focus on learning and interacting your topics in community-based structure, and absolutely then it's progress. Progresses consist of the what you have learned and what level you have been in and badges you earned. So then you can see here how many trees planted and how many water saved, some waste recycle and CO2 reuse. So these are the basic things which is in students portal, and we will be enhancing this based on the requirements of the current technical education, which is being implemented across the things. And we can go to the teachers dashboard. It's necessary for all the teachers to like review the students content and show the analytics of students and schedule the classes for them. So basically I have some students which is present in their classes. So you can see they are from 10th and they have been in active or inactive state. You can manage. And then later on, teachers can customize their content by clicking create module, and it will be like giving some progressive video and also some posting based through this module create module platform. And for the activities, you can see and review the activities of the students across this platform. And also can see here a particular teacher can points rewarded points. And also the analytics, as teacher needs to analyze every class and how they are well performing. So this is what here we've been provided. And absolutely settings, they can customize their settings of their profile and their grading systems. Then I can directly move on into the school admin. I think governments will contact directly with this. So based on every schools, how many students, how many teachers, and how many eco points have been earned, and their completion rate across the school. So basically, it will covers up to grade 6 to 8, 9 to 10, and grade 9, 11 to 12. These are the three major categories we've been planned to split that. For the student management, you can see here how many students are there in grade, and also their activities and average points and their completion rate. So this is a well analytic platform, and you can manage the teachers well here. So how many modules they have launched and how many training programs they attended. It's absolutely for teachers to train the students based on the environmental thing too. So, and the content is based on, you can see there are 5 types of contents on climate, biodiversity, water conservation, renewable energy, and waste management. Later, we have been building the analytics page, and absolutely there will be settings for the school administration to manage their school and their grading thing, and what department grading system they've been there. And also, it consists of different type of languages like Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, Gujarati. So, and this is based on the theme of Gujarat. So we focused on adding also Gujarat language here. Uh, then also the Bangla. Then we focused on with working with NGO partners. They can collaborate here by creating events and partnerships. I will show the demo here. So basically, you can NGOs can create events and create partnership with schools and colleges, and they will like verify the students or particular on based on particular schemes. And also you can see here their events will be posted here. This is how the NGO works, like a school. And absolutely, you will know how the government works. Government will consist of the overall schools and colleges across the state. This will be classified, and based on the regional data, they can manage in Delhi how many schools are there and how many colleges will be there. Then they can manage their eco points here, and for the analytics, you can see how the analytics works and how many national impact created by this platform. So you can also manage budget in futures. Then you can create report for complete, for example, quarterly based analysis or the things. You can just click download here and can generate your custom report or monthly basis report here for a particular region or something. Then a policy can be managed here by bringing some new government policies with the insight of environmental change and absolutely settings. You can see manage the default language of the platform and some regional coordinators you can assign here by also data backup frequency. Like this is main for students as these data will be majorly through offline and they can connect through internet when they have been in college or something or in school. This will help them to bring changes in offline mode too. Yeah, guys. Well, this is our platform. Absolutely. We will be creating some impact in environmental changes. By this year of 2030, we plan to bring a massive change, and we have a good collaboration with industries and NGOs to bring a much more impact across the world, India and the world. So this is our project, and if you have any queries or doubts, you can post in our comment section in the YouTube. And also, um, we would like to collaborate if you like to sponsor or help in our projects. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you.